Hi everyone, this is Miss Sanders at Lamar High School Library coming live to you. So today I'm going to go over a lesson to understand the Big Six research process, also how to apply the steps of the Big Six research project, and to evaluate resources for credibility. So whenever you are researching, you want to make sure that you are using this process. So here are some of the standards that we're going to cover in this lesson. The first one comes from the TEKS for English 4, 20A and 21A, which goes over formulating a research question and a research plan and evaluating evidence for credibility and resources for credibility. The next standard is the Common Core for 12th grade. This one also is a research standard which looks at conducting and solving a problem as well as synthesizing multiple resources on a subject. The next standard is our ISTE standards, so our technology standards, and these four standards we're going to go over research strategies, looking for credible information, and also building knowledge by exploring real-world problems, which is the assignment that you will later do. And then, of course, our last standards that we're going to cover is our AASLs, the 2018. And so all of these four standards cover formulating questions about a personal interest or curricular topic. And it also covers determining the need to gather the information, identifying resources, and making informed choices on what resources to use. So all four of these standards are very important for us as learners to make informed decisions with the research process. So, speaking about the research process, we do have a structured research process called the Big Six. So what is it? Well, it's an approach to teaching research and technology skills. It's a problem-solving model to find and use information. And it's also an approach to identify, apply, and evaluate information in a structured way. So when using this process, you will be making informed decisions about the different sources and resources information out there. What also is interesting about the Big Six is that it is recursive. So you can go back to steps and come back forward to the steps. So, in this lesson that you're about to cover, there is a pre-assessment. It's just a simple 5-question survey so that I can understand and know where you're coming from and what information you already know about the Big Six. So make sure you complete this by yourself, use your Frisco email, and of course always try your best. So with this lesson, you'll be able to understand and apply the Big Six model in your research later on in Ms. Kincaid's class. You'll also be using a structured approach. And of course, you will have fun while doing this research process. All right, see you soon.